Okay, we're about halfway out the driveway. Looking pretty good. Couple more loads, be the whole way out. Brought this roller home from work, little boom egg. Gonna final grade it and roll it all in real nice. Wife out here rolling. Looking pretty good. Pretty good. The dog just follows her every step of the way. Hard as heck. She don't care. She's along for the ride. I hope they don't think they're getting paid for this. Another one. Good job, man. Boy, we're getting into the pile now. We're pretty far out there. We got a little more to go though. I don't think we'll be making it to the barn, but maybe at least across the front of the pond there. That'd be cool. Okay, she's starting to look pretty good. We're pretty much clean out at the end. I just dumped a little more out there and got the wife still rolling it in. We are looking good though, liking it. I made some room and I pushed some over by our pond there. Turned out pretty good. I don't know that we're gonna have enough to get to the barn, but all we got left is what the excavator is sitting on and another full tractor load back behind them weeds. So, and there's still, you know, decent bit, but man, just a couple days ago, this was, well, everything from here over was all shell, including up around the house, and now it's all asphalt millings. And man, this stuff here just really turned into like asphalt again. Pretty dang awesome. So yeah, this is really cool. I'm gonna make a video here once I'm done. I want to add some more up there, like cut up where my finger is there, because like we drive up through there, so maybe kind of like that. So pretty dang neat. We deal with a lot of mud here every single winter. Like, it just gets muddy as heck, so we put stone on it and it sinks in. That's why I started spreading shale and kind of get a little more of a base. And then now we got this stuff, so looking pretty good. I assume a little bit of time in the sun, it'll start kind of blending all together like as one color. Right now you can see like a lot of the lighter spots. That's actually from the roller going over the bigger chunks and kind of turning it a lighter color. But it should all kind of change back here as the sun melts it together. So all right, I'm gonna go roll the edge along the road for the wife, and she's gonna go do some horse training before dark. And, I'll make another video maybe like tomorrow or something, kind of just maybe a little better video of showing it all off. This one kind of jumped around. We're just going ham all day, trying to keep her going. Hey, doggo. The dog likes it. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. And I'll see you on the next one.